Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay i-review natin ang PH Pocket Online Loan Application. So ang PH Pocket ay nangangailangan or nangihingi ng maraming personal information, your IDs, maraming reference persons for reference person, and then pagkatapos mong magbigay ng mga information, ay ang i-offer na loan sa iyo ay first loan is 5,000 pesos. So, sa 5,000 pesos, ang matatanggap mo ay 3,200. So, service fee is 1,800 and yung interest is 150 pesos and you are going to pay it for 7 days. So, 150 pesos na interest, divide 5,000, 3% lang kunyari yung interest fee. Pero, kung iisipin mo, sa 5,000, 3,200 lang matatanggap mo na 1,800 yung service fee. So, 1,800 divided by 3,200 perang matatanggap mo, which means the processing fee is 56% of the money that you will receive. Napakataas. So, if you decide to continue the loan, you will receive the money in just a matter of minutes. And then, kapag nakapagbayad ka at the right time, they will offer you a 7,000 peso loan. And you are going to pay it for 7 days again. So, sa 7,000 loan offer, matatanggap mo ay 4,590, service fee 2,410, interest is 210. You are going to pay 7,210. So, 7,210 ang buong babayaran mo minus 4,590 na perang matatanggap mo, meaning 2,620 ang interest at processing fee, divided by 4,590, meaning it is 57% of the amount na matatanggap mo ang processing fee at interest. And then, if you can pay on or before the due date, they will offer you 10,000 peso loan. You will receive 6,600. Service fee is 3,400 and interest is 300 pesos. So, meaning, 10,300 total na babayaran mo minus 6,600 na matatanggap mo, 3,700 yung processing fee at interest. That is 56% of the money that you will receive. So, if you pay on time, they will raise your loan limit to 13,300. Still, you're going to pay for 7 days. So, yan yung matatanggap mo at mga service fee at interest. So, meaning, ang kanilang processing fee at interest is more than 1/2 of the money na matatanggap mo, which is napakalaki. So, this is just a friendly reminder from me based on my experience. Kung kailangan mo ng pera at pwede kang makahiram sa mga kaibigan mo or sa family mo, dun ka manghiram. Nakakahiya man, pero it's a better choice than borrowing money online kasi napakalaki ng kanilang processing fee, which is hindi siya nakakatulong, nagbibigay lang siya ng maraming utang at problema sa iyo. So, kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, paki-like naman dyan at subscribe na rin para sa another online loan application review.